everyone! You know tons of English words, but do you still feel awkward when speaking?
Story of my life. I can write an essay, but I freeze when someone says, "What's up?"
Then today's episode is perfect for you. We're learning 50 everyday English phrases that native speakers use all the time, so you can sound confident and natural.
50. That's like one phrase per coffee sip.
Exactly. So grab your cup, get comfortable, and let's talk smart. All right, segment 1, starting conversations. This is where people usually freeze up.
That's me. I never know how to start.
First phrase, what's up? It's super casual and just means, hello, how are you?
What's up? Like, in the sky?
No, it's just a greeting. Hey Jake, what's up?
Not much, just working. Oh, so I don't need to look up.
Exactly. Next, long time no see. When you haven't seen someone in a while.
Like, literally a long time?
Yes, Jake, long time no see. How have you been?
Practicing? Long time no see. I thought you moved to Mars.
Close enough. How have you been is a warmer version of how are you?
So it's like caring about the answer.
Exactly. How have you been? I haven't seen you since last summer.
More personal?
Right. What are you up to means what are you doing, but more friendly.
So, what are you up to tonight instead of what are you doing tonight?
Perfect. It sounds so much more natural. Hey, what are you up to this weekend?
I like that. What's next?
Guess what? When you have exciting news to share.
Like, get something?
Sort of. Guess what? I got the job. It builds excitement.
Oh, you don't actually want them to guess?
Usually no. It's just an expression. You won't believe this is similar.
Practicing. You won't believe this. I found $5 in my old jeans.
Perfect use. Now, how's it going is like, what's up, but slightly more formal.
So many greetings.
English loves options. How is it going with your studies? Pretty good, thanks.
Casual check-in.
And what brings you here when you're surprised to see someone somewhere?
What brings them, like, transportation?
Metaphorically, what brings you here? I didn't expect to see you at the library.
Oh, like, why are you here?
Exactly, but friendlier. Let's do a mini scene.
Hey, Emma, long time no see.
Hey, Jake, how have you been?
Pretty good. What are you up to these days?
Just working on some new projects. Guess what? I'm starting a podcast.
No way. You won't believe this. I am too.
Perfect. See how natural that conversation flowed?
We used like 6 phrases.
That's the goal, using them naturally. Segment 2, agreeing and reacting. These show you're listening.
I need these.
Exactly. Strong agreement, like, yes, that's right.
So if someone says English is hard, I say exactly.
Perfect. That's so true is similar but softer.
Learning takes time.
That's so true. Great. Tell me about it means you totally relate.
Tell you about what?
It means I know exactly what you mean. If your friend says, traffic was awful today, you respond, tell me about it.
Oh, like, same here.
Exactly. You can say that again means you strongly agree.
So if my friend says, Mondays are the worst, I say, you can say that again.
Right. It means you totally agree, not that you want them to literally repeat it.
Oh, good. I thought I had to keep saying it back like a parrot.
I couldn't agree more is the strongest agreement phrase.
Like maximum agreement?
Yes. I think we should take a break. I couldn't agree more.
Super strong.
No doubt about it is complete certainty and agreement.
Is coffee the best drink? No doubt about it.
Perfect. For sure is casual agreement.
Like, definitely.
Yes. Are you coming tonight?
For sure.
Short and easy. Absolutely is emphatic yes.
Strong agreement.
Right. Do you like pizza? Absolutely.
I'm using that forever.
Let's practice in conversation. I'm as a character. Don't you think learning languages takes patience?
Absolutely. You can say that again.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
Tell me about it. But we just have to keep practicing.
That's so true. Perfect. You showed agreement naturally with different phrases.
It felt like real conversation.
Segment 3. Buying time while thinking. Super useful.
I freeze when I need to think.
Not anymore. Let me think gives you time.
So I don't have to answer immediately?
No. What's your favorite movie? Let me think. Probably The Shawshank Redemption.
That's natural.
That's a good question. Also buys time while complimenting them.
Why is English so hard?
That's a good question. I think because
Perfect.
kind of means sort of or somewhat.
Like, partially?
Yes. Do you like horror movies? Kind of. Some are good.
Not yes, not no.
You know what I mean? Checks if they understand.
Like, confirmation?
Yes. The movie was good, but weird. You know what I mean?
Seeking understanding.
How should I put it when you're thinking of the right words?
Put what?
Your thoughts. He's not mean. He's just, how should I put it? Direct.
Choosing words carefully.
Let's see. When you're considering options.
Like, looking at choices?
Yes. Can you work tomorrow? Let's see. I think so.
Checking mentally.
To be honest, when you're being direct or sincere.
To be honest, I didn't study much.
Good, but don't overuse it. Let me show you wrong usage.
To be honest, I think we should work hard. To be honest, education is important. To be honest, I like coffee. To be honest,
Stop. Use it once or twice, not every sentence.
to be honest, I didn't know that.
Exactly what I mean. Let's practice an IELTS-style response. Imagine, tell me about your hometown.
To be honest, I'd say it's quite nice. It's kind of small but has everything you need. The people are, how should I put it, very friendly and welcoming. You know what I mean? To be honest, I miss it when I'm away.
Impressed. You used 5 thinking phrases naturally.
And I didn't freeze.
Segment 4. Expressing opinions. Confidence builders.
Making my voice heard.
I guess so. Uncertain agreement?
Like, maybe?
Yes. Do you think it'll rain? I guess so.
Not fully convinced.
From my point of view, stating your perspective.
Like, opinion?
Yes, from my point of view, online learning has benefits.
Sounds professional.
I'd say giving your opinion casually.
I'd say that's a good idea.
Natural. As far as I know, when you're not completely certain.
Limited knowledge.
Exactly. As far as I know, the meeting's at 3 p.m.
Cautious statement.
Personally, I think emphasizes it's your opinion.
Like personal view?
Yes. Personally, I think we should wait.
Clear ownership.
In my opinion, is classic opinion phrase.
In my opinion, pizza is the best food.
Can't argue with that. If you ask me, is similar, but more casual.
Like, my take on this?
Perfect. If you ask me, he should apologize.
Direct opinion.
I'm not sure, but opinion with uncertainty.
I'm not sure, but I think she's right.
Humble and thoughtful. Let's do a debate practice. As a moderator, Jake, should students wear uniforms?
That's a good question. From my point of view, I'd say it depends. Personally, I think uniforms reduce stress about clothing. As far as I know, research shows mixed results. In my opinion, students should have some choice. If you ask me, maybe a flexible dress code is best.
You used 7 opinion phrases naturally.
And I sounded confident.
That's advanced conversation. Final segment. Ending conversations politely.
How to escape without being rude.
Anyway, signals you're wrapping up.
Transition word?
Yes. Anyway, I should get going.
Polite exit.
I've got to run. Means you need to leave quickly.
Great talking, but I've got to run.
Perfect. Let's catch up soon. Friendly way to say goodbye.
Like, see you later.
Yes. This was fun. Let's catch up soon.
Keeping friendship alive.
Talk to you later. Casual, friendly goodbye.
Talk to you later. Take care.
Which brings us to take care. Warm goodbye, wishing them well.
Like, be safe.
Yes. All right, I'm off. Take care.
Caring goodbye.
Have a good one. Universal, friendly goodbye.
Good what?
Good day, good evening, whatever. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.
Universal.
See you around. Casual, no specific plans.
Like, see you sometime.
Exactly. See you around. Take care.
Catch you later. Super casual goodbye.
Yes, among friends. Let's practice ending a conversation naturally. As friend. So, yeah, that's what happened at work today.
As friend. Wow, that's intense. Anyway, I should probably get going. I've got to run to my next class.
No worries. Let's catch up soon.
For sure. Talk to you later.
Take care. Have a good one.
You too. See you around.
Perfect. You ended the conversation smoothly and naturally.
Way better than just disappearing like Batman.
Exactly. More polite than vanishing.
I prefer Jake Man anyway.
And there you go. 50 phrases that make your English sound fluent and real.
If I use these, my friends will finally stop saying, "You sound like Google Translate."
Exactly. The key is using them naturally, not memorizing them like a robot.
Practice in real conversations.
Right. Start with a few phrases you like, use them daily, then add more.
And remember, these are how real native speakers talk.
So keep practicing these phrases in your daily life.
And hey, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your English buddy.
We're here every week with fun English lessons that actually help.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time, and remember,
Don't just learn English,
talk smart.